Ever wonder how a vacuum cleaner sucks up dirt like magic? Let's break it down, fast. Inside the vacuum, there's a powerful electric motor. This motor spins a fan that creates suction by reducing air pressure inside the vacuum. As the air rushes in to equalize pressure, it pulls in dust and debris through the nozzle. The air carries all the dirt into the vacuum. The dirt gets trapped in a bag or dustbin, while filters clean the air before it is blown back out, so you are not just recycling dust. Fun fact, vacuums were once horse-drawn and powered by gas engines. Now you have got one in your closet. Follow for more fast science.